Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Ansika Chauhan. So first of all, a very happy new year to all of you. May this year brings a lot of happiness in your lives. May you achieve everything that you aspire and stay healthy for this year and just focus on your career, be with your family and friends, enjoy every moment of your life. So yeah, now let's move towards the video part. So by the title of the video, you might have guessed till now that what is the video is going to be about. So it will be about how you have to prepare a CV. So this will be a short and crisp video. Don't skip any part of this video because it will be a short video and you can watch it like the whole of the video you can watch. So there will be short pointers in this video, and further I'll be telling you what's the difference between a good resume and a great resume. So please watch the entire video and don't skip any parts. So now let's begin with the pointers. First, your CV should be a one page and it should be to the point CV. Don't write paragraphs in your CV, make pointers instead. Okay, then let's move towards the font size, style and color. जो बॉडी का आपका फॉन्ट साइज, स्टाइल एंड कलर होगा, इट शुड बी कॉन्स्टेंट थ्रू आउट द सीवी. एंड जो आपके हेडिंग्स का फॉन्ट साइज, कलर एंड स्टाइल होगा, वो एंटायर सीवी में फॉर ईच एंड एवरी हेडिंग शुड बी सेम. Then for headings color, you can go for, see, I'll prefer to go for black, but if you want any other color instead of black, you can go with the dark blue color. Don't choose any vibrant color over your CV. Just keep it very basic and of sleek design, because like the best you can do is you can keep it as a black and white CV. Like your background will be white, so keep entire text in black. Then the education which you'll be mentioning in your CV should be from your recent education to your oldest education. Then the alignment of the text is very important. Although these are very basic things that I'm quoting in this video, but these are the things that at glance one can find out that that the alignment is wrong, or the text color is something different, or the text style is something different. The font style you're choosing it is like different from the other content of your CV. So these are very basic pointers, but these are very important at the same time. So you have to keep them in mind while drafting a CV. So for personal details that you have to mention over your CV, you can go with the name, your mobile number, your email ID and your LinkedIn account. So some of the important pointers are, there should be no grammatical errors in your CV, and be sure to state true facts in your CV. If you are stating any false facts, so be confident enough to like support it with a situation or something for which you have quoted the same. So I would suggest you to quote everything that is true about yourself. You don't need to sugarcoat anything or something, because CV represents you. So you should be confident enough to write each and everything that is true about yourself. So in this video, I'll not be suggesting any template that you have to use for drafting a CV. I would strongly recommend you to go for MS PowerPoint or MS Word, because it's the most convenient way I think that one can draft a CV, and it will be very convenient when you want to do any changes in your CV or something. So just go for it. And these were the pointers that I wanted to tell you to draft a CV, that you need to keep in mind while drafting a CV, so that your CV turn out to be very good. And the pointers that I told you, you can make a list of it while drafting a CV, and just make a tick mark against each of the pointer while drafting a CV, so that a whole of the pointers are covered and your CV is drafted in a good way. So I'll be telling you now what's the difference between a good resume and a great resume, how you can turn a good resume into a great resume. So there are only 4 things through which you can make your CV a standout. So the first point is, your CV should highlight the impact that you have created. Second, your CV should be of sleek and clean design. Third, your CV should be tailored to the job description and the company that you are targeting. And fourth, your CV should make your personality stand out. So these are the 4 basic pointers that can make your resume a great resume, and your resume can be standout. So guys, that's all from my part. I hope that this video will turn out very helpful for all of you. So please watch the entire video, and I would request you to make a checklist of the pointers that I told you, and just make a tick mark against each pointer whenever you are drafting a CV, so that each and every pointer is covered. And I don't think that apart from these pointers, you need to add something additional also. But yeah, make your research well, go through other YouTube videos also for drafting a CV, and just make a good CV. And I hope you all the very best for your future ahead. And yeah, so that's all for this video. Bye bye.